Take it up, take it up, take it up. Qurious King. We all have a problem. Jammy Wood. Check it up, check it up, check it up. Solve the problem. It's not right, it's not right. It's not right, not right. You love one more than how you love the other. You beat one because of issue you got with the father. You beat her with belt, sometime you fight her. You box her, you kick her because you not like her. Many times she go to bed without food because you was spite her. You love one more than how you love the other. You don't see the tears in the evil one eyes. All you see the tears in the good one when she cries. I don't like it. She gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. She's gonna be successful somehow. She's gonna be successful somehow. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. Now the table of turns. I guess in this life you live and you learn. Watch the bridges them while you burn. Please, my dear, please wait your turn. You're a wicked, wicked, wicked woman. You're a wicked, wicked, wicked woman. You can't use somebody fat fry your own daughter. No, no, you can't do that to her. She deserves something better. She's gonna be successful now. She's gonna be successful now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. She's gonna be successful somehow. She's gonna be successful somehow. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. You're gonna regret how you treat her now. If you never got the Fyah, she wouldn't come. She wouldn't come if no juice never run. Be careful, oh, because the problem will never done. You're gonna face the judgment, sure as a shining sun. She's gonna be, yeah. She's gonna be successful now. 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 Wicked mother, wicked dada. Don't hurt the kids, I'm no abuse, no abuse. I'm tired of this when I watch the news. Come on, come on, come on. Not if the road not going good. Not take a board, not down your daughter, or lick out a piece of wood.